I'm just collecting statements right now. So
What happened?
he kicked in her door and tried to take her with him. But that's it. So.
On February 16, 2024, Officer Williams of Alexander PD responded to a domestic violence call at 2:53 a.m.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What's going on, man?
Okay, so my ex came and he broke the door open.
That's all he did.
And he came in here, he was trying to take me out of the house.
He tried to take you out of the house?
Yeah. He broke all of this.
What's his first and last name, ma'am?
Huh?
What's his first and last name?
Dylan.
Do you
So
need
basically,
Do you need paramedics or anything?
no, but he hit him before, like punched him. His eye, blacked his eye out, and he broke his nose.
But that didn't happen tonight.
No, but we didn't do anything, and he came back.
He came anyway.
And basically, he wants him banned from the Burglary.
Okay. Do you have any injuries or anything?
He grabbed me, put me over his shoulder, and he was trying to take me out.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Do you have any injuries from when he grabbed you?
No.
Okay.
Said you had a stolen vehicle.
No, he's driving my vehicle.
What is it?
It's a black Chevy Custom
Like a Silverado?
Silverado.
Okay. Single cab?
No, it's a 4-door.
4-door?
And then he said he was going to call the cops to call child services on me when he's the one that left the kids alone to come chase me. I didn't leave them alone, he did. It's not the first time he's came over here to cause issues.
Sorry, wait a minute.
And he broke the door
I got you.
and the frame.
Railway.
And he broke in.
Yes, ma'am.
Still always okay. Are y'all gonna have felony charges?
So what?
Are y'all gonna have felony charges?
Residential burglary. He kicked in
Railway
the door.
10-9,
Attempted kidnapping.
Kathy Drive.
He tried to take her out the house.
Are you good here?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
10-4, stand by.
While you're getting that, I'm gonna go get some witness statement sheets that I need you to fill out. Alright, let me go grab these witness statement sheets. I will need a sheet filled out by all parties who were in the house. And I need it filled out in its entirety. I need the top, I need your statement, and I need you to sign the bottom, alright? There's 3 sheets.
Que cada uno tiene que llenar. What if can we do it in can I do it?
Yes, I can have somebody translate it.
A ver, lo pueden escribir en español, lo van a interpretar. ¿Qué pasó? Ajá, lo que pasó.
It's just a statement saying what you saw, okay?
Eso lo que tienes que decir lo que pasó. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
You want this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It was on the way to 30 and Highway 70. Like, I'm just gonna turn around and back you up.
Well, I'm actually good. You didn't hear me say that?
No.
Yeah, I'm just collecting statements right now. So
What happened?
he kicked in her door and tried to take her with him. But that's it. So,
Railway 10-50.
10-4. Yeah, so I'm just collecting statements now.
Alright, I'll send them.
What do you need? What do you need?
That's him.
Children now, please.
Oh.
I'll be so sick in bed alone.
You did.
I was gone before you.
Dylan.
You had a choice.
Dylan. What's your location? This is Officer Williams, Alexander PD.
You had a choice, Laura.
Dylan.
I'm not talking to you. I will get a lawyer.
Okay, well, you need to do so.
Thank you.
Do you have a restraining order or anything against him already? Alright, you'll need to get that.
I thought he was county that one.
They're saying if they do make contact with him, they'll be out charge. Do you guys know what he was like? Did you see what he was wearing?
Jeans and ¿qué traía jeans? It was like a camel green.
You got a photo of him, so I can just give a description.
Yeah.
She said she didn't have any injury. She didn't want to. She didn't want to medical.
So he was like, he grabbed me and he was forcefully trying to take me out of the house, and they stopped it from happening.
Okay, I got you. I'm gonna put all that in.
And I just had surgery Monday.
That's why I'm asking. Do you have any bruises or
No,
anything?
he like picked me up and put me over his shoulder, and he was like trying to take me with him.
I got you. Okay. Are you sure you don't? Are you sure you don't want to be seen by medical?
I do.
You do?
I feel like, I don't know, I'm in shock.
So you do want them now?
Hmm?
You do want to be seen by medical now?
Mm-hmm.
So wait, Central. Can you start Patrick to this address, please?
10-4.
Appreciate you.
I had surgery Monday on my shoulder, and I'm seeing him, and we're currently separated. We're going through a divorce,
Okay.
and I left him. He was home alone with the children, we were all at the house, and I left him, and he followed me here, and he left the children alone. But when he got here, he said he was gonna call child enforcement on me and say that I'm the one that left them alone. What if he's not there?
They're still circulating. They're looking for the vehicle. They're looking for him. That's why I gave a description.
If I need to go
Go ahead,
home, if he's not home, because I'm not leaving my children alone.
I have Pafford on the way so they can check you out. The other officers who are headed to that other address, they're gonna stay there and try to figure out if he's there, and they'll stay there until we get over there. All right.
Yes, you never carry any firearms?
I took it away because actually like 3 weeks ago, a month ago, I called the cops because he was trying to kill himself with firearm, and I took the firearm away.
10-4.
I don't know if you guys have documentation on that.
I'll be right back.
You called in Alexander?
Located the vehicle.
Yes.
10-9.
Dice que trae armas. Le digo que hace un mes se quiso matar y yo hablé a la policía. ¿Te acuerdas? ¿Hace cuánto?
10-4. What's the subject there?
Hace un mes. Ya hace un mes.
Okay, they have located him. They have him in custody now.
I gotta go home to my children.
That's gonna be the incident number. I'm trying to get you checked out. I'm waiting on them to get here so they can check you out. Do you want to refuse being seen here and take yourself to the hospital, or how do you want to do that? Because they're
I
on
just
their
feel like I
way
have
here.
anxiety, really bad.
Because they're, like I
I
said,
have my chest is pounding.
the ambulance is on its way
And I
here.
feel dizzy and I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Okay, the ambulance is on their way here.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Is he gonna get arrested?
Yes, he has been put in custody. All right, sir. So she had surgery Monday. Her ex-husband kicked the door in, threw her over his shoulder. She just needs to be checked over right quick to make sure.
My chest hurts. I feel like I have
What hospital do you
anxiety.
want to go to? The reason I'm saying this is I have no way of checking your insides.
I have to go home to my kids because he's in custody, right?
Yeah, he's in custody.
I won't be able to go to. I gotta go home to my kids.
Okay, I can do an EKG, which will tell me basically what your heart's doing electrically,
Yeah,
but I can't.
that'll be
definitively-
fine.
Okay.
I gotta go to my
Okay,
kids.
let him check you out right quick, and then we'll.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want me to do an
Yeah.
EKG on you? Okay, do you have a cardiac history?
Yes.
What's your cardiac history?
My heart.
Share information. The victim's being checked out right now. As soon as they release her, they'll be headed to that location. Hey, I'm just letting you know what I have out here. Off the test is down. Ex-husband kicked in my ex-wife's door, my boyfriend's door. He attempted to kidnap her. He grabbed her and threw her over the shoulder. So right now I got residential burglary, attempted kidnapping, and DV3. However, I put one. He's in custody. We have a description of the vehicle, and Selene Sheriff's having in custody for me right now. I'm waiting right now. Pastor is checking her out, and then we're gonna head to the address that they have him at because he left the kids at home. So we'll probably add endangerment and welfare of the child as well.
Officer, what's your name?
Officer Williams.
Williams. What's the badge number?
208.
208.
This is the mom I'm here. Where is he at?
He's in the back of the phone. Press yourself.
Yeah, taking time first. Alright, sir. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you to represent you before any questioning. If you wish, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights as they have been explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, are you willing to answer any of my questions?
No.
Remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present during any questioning. You cannot afford an attorney and will be provided for you at government expense. Knowing and understanding your rights as I've explained them to you, are you willing to answer any questions without an attorney present? I'm just wanting to make sure you understand your rights, because I don't know what Alexander has, what happened with Alexander, or anything like that. We just got called out here to assist, and I'm just trying to figure out the situation with the kids. So,
Right. I left.
but before you start
You
talking
have
or
to
anything, I just
agree
want
to
to
talk
make sure
to
you
them
understand
first.
your rights.
Yeah.
Are you willing to answer questions without an attorney present?
What questions?
Well, he's
No,
asking about
I
the
need a yes
kids.
or no. I can't, ask or question or anything like that. And
Oh, gotcha.
so, are you willing to answer questions without an attorney present?
I mean, sure.
Okay.
The incident raises 3 concurrent legal issues: residential burglary, kidnapping, and Miranda compliance. Each will be analyzed under Arkansas statute and controlling federal case law. Under ARC, Codan 539-201, residential burglary requires unlawful entry into an occupied dwelling with criminal intent. This is a Class B felony, 5 to 20 years under Arkansas law. 3 elements required: unlawful entry, occupied dwelling, and intent to commit a crime inside. Physical evidence, a destroyed door frame, directly establishes the unlawful entry element without ambiguity. The victim had shoulder surgery 4 days prior. Physical assault of a post-surgical patient may elevate to second-degree battery. Under Parg 526-303, the victim existing physical vulnerability is a statutory aggravating factor in charging decision. Codan paragraph 511-102. Kidnapping requires physically restraining a person's liberty by force against their will. Lifting the victim and attempting to remove her from the residence constitutes that physical restraint as a matter of law. The attempt element is complete upon the act of restraint. Full removal of the victim is not required. Paragraph 511-104 false imprisonment provides a lesser included alternative charge available to the prosecution. Multiple corroborating witnesses independently support both the burglary and the restraint elements. A person at the scene voluntarily stated, without prompting, that they kicked in the door and attempted to take the victim. Under Rhode Island v. Innis 1980, voluntary statements made absent interrogation require no prior Miranda warning. This admission is likely admissible as a spontaneous declaration carrying significant evidentiary weight for the prosecution. Officer Williams delivered a complete Miranda warning per Miranda v. Arizona 1966 following the suspect arrest. When asked to waive rights, the suspect answered no valid, unambiguous invocation of the right to silence. Burglary v. Tompkins, 2010, requires a clear assertion of rights. That threshold is satisfied by a direct negative response. Earlier in the encounter, the suspect stated, "I will get a lawyer." This phrase carries substantially greater legal weight. Edwards v. Arizona, 1981, establishes a bright-line rule. Once counsel is requested, all interrogation must immediately cease. Questioning may not resume until counsel is present or the suspect voluntarily reinitiates communication. A second Miranda warning was administered by an assisting officer shortly after the initial invocation of rights. Michigan v. Mosley, 1975, permits reinterrogation after a silence invocation, subject to 3 mandatory conditions. Mosley requires significant time elapsed, a fresh Miranda warning, and questioning limited to a distinct, separate offense. The critical issue: "I will get a lawyer" may invoke Edwards a stricter, higher threshold than Mosley. Under Edwards, any post-invocation statements are suppressible regardless of a subsequent Miranda re-advisement.
I mean, I answer questions for her.
Yeah, I just, because of the situation. So the kids.
Yes.
So
I came as soon as possible.
I know you came as soon as possible. My question to you is in regards to tonight, with the kids being left here. So were the kids left with Dylan? Okay, so they were left here with Dylan.
And he followed me.
Okay, so did he follow you like 20 minutes, 30 minutes exactly after you left, or what? Do what?
No clue.
No clue. Okay.
He got there as soon as I called the 911.
Okay. So, what time did you leave the house? Or did you leave this house? Or
Yeah,
what?
I left this house.
Oh, but what time did you leave the house?
I'll have to check on my phone.
I mean, like yesterday or midnight or
It was like 2 already.
2? You left at 2? Okay.
1 something, 2 o'clock.
1, 2, okay.
Yeah.
What time did y'all get called out to the residence? You said you called immediately whenever he showed up at the house? Okay.
Got called at 2:53.
2:53. Okay. All right. And so you left here. Dylan was with the kids when you left. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay. And then he showed up and called 911.
Yeah, and he said if I don't live with him, he was gonna call the cops and say that I'm the one that left him when he's the one that left him. And I told her I can't go to the hospital. I gotta go to my kids because she said that he got arrested, correct?
Yeah.
And I was like, where's my kids then?
Okay. So.
I never leave them.
Okay. All right. So I was just trying to figure out the situation with the kids and so forth. All right.
But I don't hear.
Are the kids okay? My concern is Hazel. If he's got the flu, is he awake or is he still asleep?
They're all asleep. I don't hear anyone crying or anything.
Okay, is Hazel with the flu? My concern is he okay? Is he breathing? Is he?
He's in my bed. I need to go check on him.
Yeah, let's go check on him. Wait, do we need to call medical to come out and check you, or are you good?
I want to go in the morning.
Okay.
They said my blood pressure was high.
Okay. All right, just want to make sure before we leave, we don't need to call an ambulance because I don't want you passing out or something happening to you before we leave.
Dylan's in jail.
He's been arrested. He's been charged with the charges that Alexander has. Okay? So, all right. Got all their information. All right.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry I was speeding. I was worried about the kids.
It's no problem.
All right. Well,
I was going 5, I think.
that's fine. We're not worried about that. We're gonna get out of here.
All right. You guys have a better night.
All right, hop out, Dylan. She's going to do these cuffs. She undoes one of them. But what she chooses to undo, place it on the car. Take my head off? Yep.
You got anything on you that'll cover your stigma?
So, put your phone in this bag and the rest of your stuff.
I'm gonna pat you down one more time.
I carry this. I appreciate you.
Watch your head. It's kind of tight back there. Do one more thing from you. You'll just pass this to me. I got to reach over. That's right. I have to reach over. Appreciate you.
Leaving minor children unsupervised overnight creates independent criminal exposure under ARC. Code Ann 1218-103. The statute defines inadequate supervision as a form of child neglect independent of the domestic violence offenses. This independent charge strengthens the prosecution overall case and carries no Miranda suppression risk. Officer Williams receives an A-. Evidence collection, victim care, and multi-unit coordination executed at a high standard. The Miranda sequence, specifically the Edwards concern, introduces a suppressible evidence risk in an otherwise sound response. The suspect receives a D. Residential burglary, assault of a post-surgical victim, and child abandonment occurred simultaneously. The victim receives a B+. Clear testimony, critical firearm disclosure, and composed cooperation under extreme stress. Minor deduction for inconsistency in accepting medical evaluation, creating a gap in the post-incident medical record. Lesson 1. I will get a lawyer is an Edwards trigger. Document it. Stop questioning. Contact the prosecutor immediately. Lesson 2. Spontaneous admissions before arrest are powerful. Record exact wording verbatim in the incident report. Lesson 3. Recent surgery is a material factor in charging. Communicate it to medical personnel and the charging officer. Lesson 4. Firearm history from a domestic victim must be relayed to all units before approaching the suspect. Thank you for watching.